In this video, I'll be speaking about the best trade type, okay? As traders in Deriv, you've always wondered, what is the best trade type? And in this video, I'll be giving out my honest review based on experience and based on my observation on other traders, all right? Now, when you're trading in Deriv, as I said in my previous video about beginners, okay? You have so many trade types that you can choose from, all right? From accumulators to call and put to vanillas, call and put, you have turbos, multipliers, rise and fall, high and lower, touch and no touch, matches and differs, even odd, and over under. And sometimes you might ask yourself, what is actually the best contract type, the best trade type that I should actually involve myself in? All right? So I'll be going clearly. The video will be short and concise so that I get directly to the main issue. Okay? So the best contract type you can trade in Deriv, there are actually two. Let me say contract types. All right? It is either, listen carefully guys, rise and fall or over under, but I rank over under number one. Either over under or rise and fall. One of those two. All right? I repeat, either over under or rise and fall. Those two contract types are quite nice. Those are contract types whereby you can apply the right strategies, all right, and actually end the day with a profit every single day once you apply the right strategies. So if you're wondering what is the best trade type to start with, over under or rise and fall, one of those two. But if I was to be asked the one that I will choose, I will say over under, because guys, some over under digits have very low risk and they have quite a nice profits. So it's actually for you to apply the right strategies. And I've made several videos on over under in this video. You just have to go to the channel, select playlist, select over under, and watch those videos. But guys, if you're wondering what is the best trade type to start trading with in Deriv, start with either over under or rise and fall. And if you have to choose between the two, I say choose over under, because that is actually a very good trade type. Yeah, so guys, that is the best trade type you can start with in Deriv. The tick number, always use one tick. Yeah, and always use the volatility 1S index, which is very fast and will prevent you from incurring unnecessary losses. All right. Yeah, so the guys, that is my opinion on this. You can go and test it out, or you can comment down in the comment section what is the best trade type for you, and we can discuss further. Otherwise guys, let's keep pushing, let's keep trading. If you've liked this video, please make sure you subscribe so that we reach out to more individuals who are trading in Deriv. And please make sure you like this video if you enjoyed it, and please share to anyone who you know is interested or who is trading in Deriv so that they don't miss out. Otherwise guys, thank you very much for your support. Keep trading, keep pushing, and guys, and let us meet in the next one.